Yeah! What's up, everybody? Yeah, dude. What's up, and welcome back to my channel. Yeah! Alright, cut to the intro. We don't have an intro? There's no intro. Damn. Alright, so what is up, everybody, and welcome back to CJ Sneakers. So today I got a clothing haul video for you guys. I have been like buying a bunch of clothes over time and just accumulating them, and then I want to make a video of like all my purchases because like why not? Actually, first thing is this Teddy Fresh hoodie. As you can see, it's super sick, super filthy. If you don't know what Teddy Fresh is, Hila Klein's clothing brand. If you know H3H3, it's his wife, or Ethan's wife, you know, and this is like her brand. Personally, I really like just quirky type stuff, like anything that's like super colorful. You get a lot of compliments wearing this. Just people really enjoy the look of it, the vibes of it and all that. It's just overall, I love the look. It's super dope. So yeah, this is the first thing. This actually cost me, let me get the receipts real quick. Fun fact, this actually costed me 82 bucks. Yeah, this hoodie is pretty expensive. So if you have money and you want to look fresh, Teddy Fresh, then yeah, cop yourself a Teddy Fresh hoodie for 82 bucks, because I honestly love this thing. It's actually kind of comfy too, which is pretty cool. Yeah, on to the next thing. Yesterday, I drove to Oregon to see my buddy Jeffrey, and on the way back, I stopped by the Nike Clearance Store in Centralia. So I kind of got a couple things there that's super dope, but we're gonna save that for last. The next thing I got is this You Matter hoodie. I don't know if you can see it. Oh yeah, you can. Right there, You Matter. I think you guys have already seen me wear this one in particular because I love this hoodie. This pink You Matter hoodie, and it has the breast cancer awareness. I love this sweatshirt so much. So if you don't know what this brand is, or You Matter, he kind of comes out with random colors, and the black one came out, so I had to cop it, you know? But yeah, if you guys don't know You Matter, it's Demetrius Harmon. He's from Vine. You guys should know him from Vine. I'll probably like put up his channel or something. He went by Meech on Mars on Vine or Twitter or wherever you've seen him before. But yeah, like ever since Vine, like I started following, and then he just kind of started popping off on Twitter, and he started like making hoodies and whatnot. And I love the story behind it and everything. It's really cool. You should check it out. Meech is super dope. I love his hoodies. If he ever comes out with more colorways, I'm copping them instantly. I wanted like an all black hoodie, so as soon as it popped up, again, instant cop. I honestly don't remember how much I spent on this. It was like, it might have been 60, actually, now that I think about it. So 60 bucks for this, super dope. Love this hoodie. Next item. We got joggers for days. Look at that. So many joggers. Aéropostale was having like a sale in store, 50 to 70% off. And when it comes to me and like deals, I go nuts. I had to go in there and check it out. So these joggers, pretty dope. It has like this little zipper for the pockets and whatnot. They fit super nice. Like these fit so well. Got me a medium. I don't know why, but these ones, they just fit perfectly for me. But yeah, these right here are 50 bucks usually. And I got these, I think 60% off or something like that. I only paid 20 bucks for them. Where's the receipt at? Yeah, 1980. So I pretty much, what is that, 70% off? I don't know, I can't do math right now. But yeah, regular, these are 50 bucks. And I got them for $20 each. So I got one pair, so there's another one. I got this green pair, and then I got the gray pair, and then these are more like the casual joggers. They're not like those sport ones, but I don't know what the regular price is, but I got these for $7.99. 8 bucks for some joggers, and instantly, yeah, I had to. But I'm such a skinny guy, and I don't look good in sweats, so joggers are perfect, because it's like, it fits me nicely, you know what I mean? Because I'm so curvy, you know what I'm saying? All right, now on to the next one. This is my second favorite purchase of all the items. Oh my gosh. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw these first. Here, I'll show you the box first. Regular price is 180. I got these for 30 bucks. That was the main reason of why I purchased, because I was like, okay, 30 bucks. That's not bad. But yeah, check these out. Oh my purple. Look at the... I don't even know. There's just so much purple going on. So the main reason I bought these is because if you remember my previous video, I bought that Supreme fanny pack. And it's like this exact same color purple, like the same color. So I was like, you know, that's a dope fit. That's gonna be a fire outfit. So I had to buy them for 30 bucks. Some people paid 180 for these when they first released, you know, like think about that. Or somebody paid 180 bucks for these. Not me though, no. You know, I was like, I can't go wrong with 30 bucks, so I might just have to. So I bought them, they fit great. I also really wanted a pair of these, cause like, it's kind of like a boot, you know what I mean? I don't know what to say about these. They're just dope. That's the thing. They're just super dope. All right, so I got 2 more items left. Oh my god, this thing is so sick. Okay, so this is probably my favorite purchase out of all the things I bought. Super dope Windbreaker. Look at this thing. This is just legit, dude. Oh my gosh. As soon as I saw this, I instantly grabbed it. I saw someone else reaching for it, but I was like, you know, I'm gonna have to take that from you real quick. It like doesn't fit you like the slim ones. Like it's really just like really puffy on you, and I don't know how to explain it, but it's like a looser type fit. I was so hyped when I found this. Like I've been wanting a Windbreaker like this in so long, and it's like, it's just perfect colors overall. Everything about this I love. Oh my gosh, this thing is just so cool. It's so cool. Oh my god. Originally it's 120 bucks, and your boy only got this for $40. So check out this tag real quick. 120, but I got for 40. Deals on wheels. But yeah, on to the last item. So the last thing I got is this, like, it's like a hoodie, but the sleeves are cut off. I don't know how to explain it. Feels like the sleeves is cut off, you know what I mean? When I saw this, I was like, you know, it's like not that awesome, but it's like, it's kind of cool. The reason I wanted this so badly is because I've been needing like a hoodie for basketball, because I play a lot of basketball, but I hate playing like long sleeves, short sleeves, but I also hate wearing shirts. I don't know, I'm weird like that. So like a hoodie with the cutoff sleeve is like perfect. Is exactly what I was looking for. Retail price is $60 and I paid $24. So yeah, there you go. Retail $60, I paid $24 or $25. Same. But yeah, that's pretty much all my purchases. And if you really think about it, I didn't spend that much money. Like I got them all like on a deal, or okay, not all of them, because yeah, this Teddy Fresh hoodie is expensive, not even gonna front. But yeah, most of the stuff I got like on a deal or on sale. Like it was some big sale going on, so I was like, okay, yeah, that's happening. But yeah, I just want to show you guys all the clothes that I've been buying recently. It's kind of funny because I've noticed like my style is changing a lot. I'm noticing what I enjoy wearing, and like I'm starting to figure out my style pretty much, and how I like to present myself, what I like to wear with my shoes, you know? Like you can't just wear a lame fit and like some dope shoes, because then it just kind of, it's lackluster, you know what I mean? It makes your outfit look like meh. You have to have like some dope shoes on with a dope fit, and it's all got to work together. So now it's like I'm stepping up my clothing so that the shoes can look nice too. You know what I'm saying? Picking up what I'm putting down. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the video. I'm sorry I'm not posting as frequent as I said I would. I'm doing a lot more projects. Like I'm working on a lot more things than just YouTube. So I don't know, I'm just enjoying life right now. YouTube is kind of stressful, if I'm gonna be completely honest. I'm not like super focused on YouTube anymore. It's just a side hobby, so remember that. I enjoy it a lot, but it's just not my thing to do like a daily type deal. Like I'm not a daily YouTuber, I'm not a weekly YouTuber, but I do enjoy making YouTube videos. So I'll keep on trying to be consistent, sort of. Yeah, just follow me on social media or whatever you want. I'll put links in the description below if you want to like keep up with me, if you care that much. But if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe if you guys are new. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and peace out.